tame your larger tires and take back control of your steering with Rough Country's N3 steering stabilizers. These easy-to-install stabilizers help improve control and handling for a more pleasant driving experience both on and off-road. Steering stabilizers are designed to restrain the jerking motion of your steering wheel when hitting a large bump in the road or traversing off-road obstacles. Rough Country's N3 steering stabilizers feature a durable 18mm chrome hardened piston rod and large diameter body that dwarfs factory equipment, ensuring a more effective vibration damping each and every time you take to the trails. Rough Country's N3 steering stabilizers feature a 100% bolt-on installation process with no need to remove the tires or wheels for assembly. This easy upgrade can be performed with common tools in a home garage. Includes a 3-year warranty. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.